So over the last 12 months, I've generated over $4 million in revenue running a social media marketing agency with about 350 active clients. And I'm going to tell you right now, if I had to start over in 2026, I would not build the same agency. I'd build something way simpler, way more profitable, and I do it almost entirely with AI. Because after running this agency for years, I've realized there's a version of this business that doesn't need 30 employees, doesn't need hundreds of thousands in overhead, and can be run by one person from a laptop. And I know what I'm talking about because I actually run one of these agencies. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every single video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue last month. But here's the thing, it took me years to build this. I had to hire a full team, content managers, account managers, project managers, and more. I'm paying out hundreds of thousands a month in overhead. I had to build every system from scratch, figure everything out the hard way, and deal with the headaches that come with managing dozens of employees. And honestly, if I were starting over today, I wouldn't do any of that because the game has completely changed. Everyone's talking about AI chatbots and voice agents right now, but there's a simpler play that's quietly becoming the biggest opportunity in 2026, AI-powered social media services. What I'm about to show you is how one person can use AI in one platform to build an agency that does $10,000 a month or more without a big team, without a fancy office, and without grinding 80 hours a week. And before you say that's not possible, just wait, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to break this down into 3 offers. The first one is your entry point. It gets you clients and builds trust. The second one is the wow factor that makes business owners say, I've never seen anything like this. And the third one combines everything into one value-packed offer that actually gets results. Let's get into it with chapter 1, the door opener. All right, let's start with the easiest offer you can sell, AI-powered social media content creation. Every local business needs content, and most of them have no idea how to make it. That's where you come in. But you are not going to do things the old way, like sitting in Canva for 3 hours per client, writing captions from scratch, going back and forth on revisions. That whole era is over. One client used to eat up 4 or 5 hours a week. Multiply that by 10 clients and you've got a full-time job just on content alone. That's why most solo agency owners cap out at 5 or 6 clients and burn out. But with AI, the whole workflow changes. Let me show you. I'm going to pull up High Level right now. Inside High Level, they have a feature called Ask AI. Watch what happens when I use this. I just went into Ask AI and typed a simple prompt. I said, generate 3 Instagram carousel posts for a med spa that wants to promote their Summer Glow facial package. And look at what it gave me. Each carousel has 5 slides. The first slide is the hook. Something like, your summer glow starts here. Then you've got value slides breaking down the benefits, what's included, why this treatment is different. And the last slide is a call to action. Comment glow for a free summer glow guide. I'm going to show you why that CTA matters in a second. But here's what really makes this powerful. High Level has a brand board feature where you can plug in the client's exact fonts, colors, logo, and overall aesthetic. So when the AI generates these carousels, they actually look like they belong on the client's page. They match the brand. This isn't generic cookie cutter content. It looks custom because the AI is pulling from the brand board you already set up. Now here's where this offer gets loaded. You're not just posting content, you're building an entire system for $500 a month. Let me show you what I mean. Remember that carousel with comment glow on the last slide? That's not just a caption, that's a trigger. Inside High Level, I built a workflow where anytime someone comments glow on the client's post, an AI agent automatically sends them a personalized DM. It greets them by name, delivers a free summer glow guide, and invites them to book a consultation. The AI handles the entire conversation. The client doesn't have to touch anything. And that lead magnet the AI agent sends, I built it in minutes using AI Studio. Let me pull this up. One prompt and it generated the entire summer glow guide. Cover page with the med spa branding, skincare tips, product recommendations, a CTA to book a consultation. No graphic designer, no copywriter, just one prompt. On top of that, you layer in missed call text back. So if someone calls the business and nobody picks up, High Level automatically texts them back saying something like, hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help? That alone saves the client leads they would have lost. And then you give them the lead connector app. That's High Level's mobile app. So the client sees everything happening in real time. Posts going out, DMs coming in, missed calls getting followed up. Their phone is buzzing with activity, and they feel like their business finally has a pulse online. So let me recap what you're actually selling for $500 a month. AI generated branded content, 5 posts a week, automated comment to DM lead generation, an AI built lead magnet, missed call text back, and the lead connector app so the client sees it all. That's a massive amount of value, and it's the perfect entry point for businesses that don't have any real social media presence yet. You're getting them online, making them look legit, and starting to generate leads, all while the AI does the heavy lifting. By the way, High Level is the platform we use to manage our entire agency and all 350 of our clients. If you haven't tested it out yet, you really need to try it using the link in the description below. They have a free trial so you can see everything I'm showing you firsthand. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. Just go to SeanStanberry.com and I'll leave the link in the description. That course walks you through everything: how to set up your agency, how to get clients, how to deliver results. It's the same stuff I used to build a $400,000 a month agency. Now remember, this is just the starter package. So this is also the time to build trust and rapport with your client. Once they see their social media looking professional and leads starting to come in, they're going to want more. And that's when you introduce offer 2, which is where things get really fun. All right, now let me show you the offer that makes business owners' jaws drop. Chapter 2, the wow factor. This is where it gets fun. Offer 2 is AI-powered video content. And this is the service that makes clients say, "I've never seen anything like this before." For $1,000 a month, you're creating viral-style AI videos for the client, 3 per week. And I'm not talking about slideshow videos with stock footage. I'm talking about AI clones where the business owner is on camera speaking to their audience and they never had to film a single thing. Let me show you what I mean. I cloned myself as an attorney. Look at this. That's not a real attorney. That's an AI clone using my likeness, speaking directly to camera about legal services. If you didn't know it was AI, you would think someone filmed this in a studio. This is something most business owners have never seen before. And when you show them what's possible, they get excited. They're not comparing you to the last social media manager who was posting stock photos with Canva templates. You're showing them the future. And it's not just talking head videos either. You can even clone mascots for a brand, like this video where I clone a plumber's mascot giving a tip, or create viral time-lapse videos, like this landscaping one I did where you watch an entire yard transformation in 15 seconds. The possibilities are endless once you understand the tools, and that's worth $1,000 a month to them because nobody else in their market is doing this. Now, if you want to see my full process for how I create these AI videos, I'll link some videos in the description that walk through everything step by step. But here's what I haven't told you yet. There's a way to combine everything I've shown you into one package that actually gets the best results. And honestly, this is the offer I think most people watching this should start with. Chapter 3, the full system. All right, this is the one. Offer 3 is the advanced package, and it combines the power of Offer 1 and Offer 2 into a complete social media system. Here's what it includes. You've got the daily consistent posting from Offer 1, AI generated carousels and graphics going out 5 days a week, the comment to DM automation, the lead magnet, missed call text back, all of it. That keeps the client's feed active and professional. Then you layer on 3 new AI videos per month. But here's the key. Those 3 videos become the client's pinned posts. They sit right at the top of the client's social media page, so anyone who visits the profile sees the best, most compelling content first. And then you add the piece that actually drives results. You boost those 3 pinned posts. You put a small ad budget behind them. This is what takes a client from "my social media looks nice" to "my phone is ringing." Because organic reach is great, but when you boost the right content to the right audience, that's when comments go up, leads come in, and appointments get booked. That's why I think Offer 3 is actually the most effective and the most beginner-friendly service to sell. The client gets everything. Consistent daily content that builds their brand, 3 high-impact videos that showcase their business, and boosted posts that drive actual results. It's a complete system and the results speak for themselves. Now let me talk about pricing. I charge $750 a month for this package and recommend the client have a modest $250 ad budget to start. Think about that. 10 clients, $7,500 a month. That's a realistic number. 10 clients is completely doable within your first few months, especially when you're offering something this different from everyone else in the market. Now here's something important. You do not need to offer all 3 packages right away. If you're just getting started, pick the one you're most comfortable with. If you love the design side, start with Offer 1 and get good at AI-powered carousels. If AI video gets you fired up, start with offer 2 and lead with that wow factor. The point is to get moving and get your first clients. You can always add the other offers later. And by the way, if you want to take this even further down the road, High Level has a SaaS mode where you can white label their entire platform, rebrand it with your logo, your domain name, and charge your clients a monthly software fee on top of your service fees. That's a whole other revenue stream I'll break down in a future video. If you want to explore it now, you can see it inside the free trial using my link in the description. Chapter 4, how to actually get clients. All right, so now you know what to sell. But how do you actually get clients? Here's what I do. You run the exact same social media strategy for your own agency that you're selling to clients. Pick your niche. Create compelling carousel content showing how you can help businesses in that niche. Use the same comment to DM automation to capture leads for yourself. You become your own best case study. If your social media looks great and your automations are running, business owners in your niche see it and they think, I want my page to look like that. This is exactly what I'm doing right now for my coaching. I'm running the same carousel strategy, the same automations, the same system I just showed you, but pointed at my own brand. And soon I'm going to be sharing those results publicly. So make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to show you the real numbers from running this exact playbook for myself. Because look, this isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. You start with the offer that gets them online and builds trust. You upgrade them to AI video content that blows their mind. And then you combine everything into a full system with boosted posts that actually drives results. Just start by picking one offer, one niche, and start creating content for your own agency. 2 years ago, this wasn't possible. The AI wasn't good enough. The tools weren't integrated enough. You still needed a team to deliver results at scale. But right now in 2026, the technology has caught up to the point where a single person with the right stack can compete with agencies that have 15 or 20 employees. That window won't stay open forever because as more people figure this out, the market gets more competitive. So the time to move is now. If I were 25 again with no clients and no team, this is exactly what I do. Not a version of it. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I break down every single AI feature inside High Level, Ask AI, AI Studio, AI agents, all of it. It's basically a complete tutorial on everything the platform can do with AI. Go watch that next, and I'll see you over there.